The following is a 2 out of 3 falls match. Making his way to the ring from the good old USA, weighing in at 316 pounds, the American Dream, Jackhammer.
Tension's riding high. Plans on getting things settled in the ring. I can't wait.
This is a match he's craved for quite some time. He's ready and raring to go.
And his opponent from the Isle of Samoa, weighing in at 273 pounds, the Samoan Haku, Vota.
Just look at the swagger on display. I love it.
Swagger. Really, Saxton? You know a number of people in the back just despise this superstar.
Well, the WWE Universe clearly disagrees with you, Corey.
Oh, and what else is new? He's in perhaps the best physical condition of his life. He knows what it takes to reach the top here in WWE.
In a 2 out of 3 falls match, the superstars are usually very comparable, and that's certainly the case here, Byron.
Well, 2 out of 3 falls matches are usually between competitors who have traded victories. And that's good news for the WWE Universe because they often get 3 matches in one.
These two match up well tonight, but when someone's feeling it, they can bulldoze the opponent in 2 straight falls, and that's all she wrote.
We'll see how this one shakes out.
That's gotta be it. 2! Shoulder up, shoulder up!
Somehow, some way, he is still in this.
I've said it before, but it's really paramount to pick up the first fall of a 2 out of 3 falls match as quickly as possible. That's how you set the tone and pace. You want the competition to be facing an uphill battle.
Uh-oh.
And he's able to counter.
Dropping the knee. He's getting fired up now, really feeding off this crowd. Measuring. Oof, face stop.
He's absorbed some damage already.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy. Heading back to the ring. Pulls their opponent in.
Belly to belly.
Hooked up.
DDT.
And now he's taken control.
He's being consistent and businesslike.
Looking worse for wear in the corner now. And that was a successful bit of offense with that maneuver.
Shot after shot. Oof, ruthless striking.
Uh-oh. Hung out to dry.
Desperate attempt here to get back on his feet.
Opportunity is his for the taking. Near fall. Unreal to kick out there.
Not only unlikely, downright extraordinary.
And it may just take going to the well one more time with that maneuver to gain the pinfall.
Great counter. The U-turn he needed in this match could have been right there. Oh, no, what could this be?
Don't do this. Hung up in the barricade.
And a big boot.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
And he slides him back to the mat. Pulled in from
Belly to belly.
for the win. Kick out just before 2.
You expect these pins to last much longer at this stage in the match.
Hooked up. Driven down. He's getting a little battered now. Forearms from the second rope. Driving down.
And now the pressure's mounting on him. Yeah, but he's always one counter away from changing things.
Cranking the head.
Smart strategy. Attack the knee.
Down opponent and a double axe handle smash.
Tagging this outside.
This could be good.
The advantage now is squarely in his corner.
He's in non-stop attack mode.
Taking the fight near our announce table.
I really hope we get these desks at a discount.
He's getting fired up now, really feeding up this crowd.
Reversal. Can he take advantage?
Tossing their opponent like they're nothing.
Oh, man. Fouling at ringside can be very unforgiving. You have to be careful out there.
No protection out here. No safe confines to speak of.
Heads outside, but this one has to end in the ring.
Oh, targeting the neck. Boom.
He's channeling the crowd's energy.
Luthez press. Raining down right hands.
Oh, man, they do not care who or what they destroy.
Yeah, Byron, you are dangerously close to being collateral damage in this one.
Big clothesline.
And more attacks up there could leave him stunned.
Each blow affecting his equilibrium.
Connecting on the DDT. In control here with a swinging neck breaker.
Textbook.
The referee counting, urging them to get in the ring.
Grief. That's a chop that'll wake you up.
Run out of ringside and back to the mat. He's back in so close to a count out.
You do not want to lose. Oh, this could be bad. This could be really bad. Lights out. Now that is an exclamation point.
You can begin to see it in these superstars' faces. Exhaustion is beginning to set in.
They're starting to breathe heavier. This is the time where matches are won and lost.
And that was a hell of a DDT there.
All he has to do is capitalize. And he got one there. Uh-oh.
Retaliated with a head-turning clothesline.
Oh, here we go. Suplex.
Oh, my goodness, what a pile driver.
the count. The pillars of this building must be crumbling for the energy these fans are putting out right now.
These superstars are giving it their all, and this audience is giving it right back. I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed to get the shoulder up. Bam! Starting back to his feet, but he might not know where he is.
Back in this thing in a big way.
His superstar poised to win this thing.
Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there. Oh, look at his aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
Blast off.
Whoa, what a landing. And after that, you know things have just kicked up a notch.
Pedal to the metal right now. And he gets set back into the ring.
This one has to be over.
He's still in this fight. How about once he executed that, it was good night.
You have to wonder, how much more can he take?
Though you gotta believe he'll be looking for the kill shot one more time. Knew what was coming there. Pulled in from belly to belly. There's electricity running through this arena right now.
Will it be the spark for one of these? Lifted off the mat, suplex position.
Thanks for coming. Tuck him in. It's bedtime. There it is with a late fall.
The sound of this crowd is deafening.
Not allowing that to go on any longer.
Look at this.
Oh, from the rope. Shoulders down. And the rope will force a break.
Just mounted with punches. And a stop to the gut, too.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
Goodness gracious. Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up. Straight touch.
Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there. Oh, look at his aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
And he's taking on a persistent assault.
Yeah, this flurry's proven to be quite the challenge for him here.
Oh, this could be bad. This could be really bad.
Lights out.
Will that be the deciding factor?
Makes a cover. He put him away. He picks up the win.
Here is your winner, the Samoan Haku, Vota.
What a win for him here.
He really displayed his prowess in victory.
You could just sense the intensity in the air throughout this one.
Yeah, this win was well earned.